What is up, everybody? I'm hiding way over here. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I apologize for the delay. Whoa, this thing is huge. Hang on. What? I don't know what we're gonna do here. I'm up here, I'm down here. Let me know if you guys can hear me. I have a little helper here today, and yeah, we'll just say that. Hopefully you guys can let me know in the chat real quick if you guys can hear me. I'm checking settings real quick here. Check 1, 2. Looks like you can. There we go. I'm waiting for your responses. What do you need, bud? You need me to open it? All right, we're gonna unbox this thing. This is the FLSUN S1.
Oh, yeah. I'll help you.
Here you go. Perfect. This is the FLSUN S1. I still don't see any responses. Let's see. I see hey. What's going on? You can still hear me. Oh, crud. Thank you. There we go. How about now? Is that better? Sorry about that. It was a crazy like little bit here. I haven't streamed in so long, and I'm putting this together, get it all connected, connect my camera. I'm hiding way over here. Connect my camera, and it won't. The HDMI won't work. And tried a bunch of cables and all that, didn't work. Finally, the camera that I used for Hotmakes was over on the desk. I grabbed the micro HDMI to HDMI adapter off that camera, put it on the new camera, and it worked. So somehow, all of a sudden, I have an adapter that's bad, and I don't know how that is, but it is. Got it working. All of a sudden, we got picture, and then had to get ready.
That's why we have to, if I want to open the box.
We're going to lower it, bud. We're going to lower it. We got Tristan here with me right now.
I'm lowering it. Tell me when to stop.
Okay, we're lowering the desk, I guess. Stop. Stop. Okay, we're going way down. Stop. Jeez. There you go. You want to come say hi? Come over on this side.
Hi, everybody.
Let's see. There he is. Oh man. All right. Sorry about that, guys. This is a little bit crazy, but all right. We are.
You excited to see what's inside?
Are you excited to see what's inside? He says. Good. Let's see. I should just put a microphone on you too, huh?
Can you hear us?
Here, say, can you hear us?
Can you hear us?
All right.
Oh, wow, let's do it.
Let's do it, he
Open
says.
it up.
Let's get a knife.
Knife?
This is for Daddy. All right, this is the FLSUN S1. They sent this to me in like June. It's just been super crazy. I have not been able to get it unboxed with all the stuff that's going around on this thing and all that. And then I went on vacation. I've been gone for a while. So I am back. We're ready to get back on track here. Got videos coming. We have live streams coming. I apologize. I've taken a break. All right, let me just make sure we get this all cut open, bud. I don't even know. I'm pretty sure we're not going to be able to lift this out on the table. I'm probably going to have to put it behind here and get it out. This box is super big. If you want an idea of how big this box is, I know there's a whole 20 of you here or something. Come here, bud. Come here. I got to show you something. Nope, leave that up there. Having a 4-year-old is awesome. Nice. That's cool. You want to see how big this Alrighty then. Hopefully I'm back. I am not sure if I'm back. I'm not back. I'm back. I could tell you. Frozen. Hopefully I'm back. Back. Okay. We have a 4-year-old that just pressed the power button to shut down the whole stream. So there's that. Wow, I'm real glitchy here. There we go. I'm trying to get this thing all back up here. All right, almost back. Okay. Sorry about that. Little technical difficulties. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. Thank you, Mommy. Lindsay is here bringing some water because it is hot. We've been here all morning. All right, let's, I apologize, everybody. I'm back. We're going to get this thing open. We're going to get it unboxed. We're going to check it out. What a interesting way to start a stream. Just getting this other screen ready. All right, almost there. Sorry about that. All right. Pop up chat. Just resetting up again. Okay. Back. We're on. Everybody's here. We're good. Yes, buddy. Yep.
Open the box.
Okay. We're ready. We're we're ready. Yes. All right. You ready?
Yep. It's opening box time right now.
He went over behind me and pressed the power button and shut the whole stream down. Computer, cameras, everything just shut off. So that was fun. We can't be doing that. No. I know you're sorry. Just don't do that again. Deal? All right, we're gonna get this thing out of here. Sorry, everybody. At least 2 people are watching, so that's nice. No. All right. I don't think this is gonna help us at all. This is the top down, zoomed all the way out, and honestly, this box is so big, it's not really gonna help us. Far side here, there is what looks to be a little manual. And by little, I mean little. Just that is pretty funny. Such a little manual for a giant machine, right? There's also some service policy stuff here. We're gonna rock and roll. Take out the machine flow diagram. Open box. Remove foam cover. Stand box up with printer in the right orientation. Slide the printer out. Remove the bag. All right, that's what we're gonna try to do.
I will help you fill the printer.
You gonna help me? All right, let's just try to get this thing out as fast as we can. You're ready to see it. All right, let's do this with one of those. All right, inside of here we got a thank you. Thank you card. It looks like. Yes, buddy. Yes, buddy. This is FLSUN S1.
Elevator?
With an elevator?
Yeah.
I don't know.
You told me one of the lasers come with the elevator.
Oh yeah, not this one. This isn't the laser, buddy. All right. Hopefully that's not as dark as it looks like on my screen. This is a box with a bunch of stuff in it. Looks like a tray. There we go. There's your tools. All the good stuff. There we go. I'm going to set that aside. We're going to have so much stuff here. We have a, oh, you can't see it, but we have a half of roll. It's a full spool, but a half a roll of ultra high speed filament. There you go. We'll set that aside. Oh, did you get your finger? No. Oof, you okay? Yeah. That's not fun, is it? You okay? Yes. Little man's right here. You can probably see his smiling face now, right? Say hi. Hi. He just pinched his finger on the fold-out stool he was sitting on. All right. Okay. You're okay, he says. This looks like the power cable. I'm just trying to get this done so we can get this thing out of the box, bud. You're okay? Let's see it. Let me see your pinch. Where did you do it at?
I don't know.
Okay. Looks like you're okay? Yeah. Good job.
Yeah.
All right. Cool. Let's do this last thing. This is something. It's something. We'll find out what that is in a minute. It is in a nice wrapped bag. Yeah, does that hurt? Darn it. I'm sorry, buddy. That always hurts, right, chat? When you fold out a folding something and you pinch your skin in there. Let's see it real quick. Right down there. Yeah. Dang it. Sorry, buddy. You always got to be careful. Oh, this looks like a monster screen and some buttons and some USB interface here. Connect by number in the back. So there's that. Just going to set that right there. Okay. According to the plan here, excuse me. According to the plan, we need to set this thing up. I don't know how that's going to go because this thing is taller than taller than everything. But I'm going to pull this foam out here. Yeah, it smarts for sure. I'm glad whoever's here is here. Thank you guys for being here. It has been way too long since I streamed last. Way too long. We're going to get back into that. Oh, geez. Probably, I'm hoping to go back to weekly streams soon. But this foam that I just pulled out. Yeah. The foam I just pulled out is massive. All right, dude. Now we need to set this thing up. We need to figure out what the right side up is. I think that's down. This is up. I'm just guessing by the handles. So what we need to do now is set this thing down, tilt the box up, and slide the box out, or slide this out. Now this is like, I got to look at the shipping weight on this thing. I think it was something like 100 pounds. It was real heavy, just so y'all know. 112.44 pounds. All right, here's what I need you to do, bud. I don't want you to get hurt. So we're going to lower the desk all the way down. Thank God we have this flexi desk. Nope, it's all the way down now. I don't know that we're going to be able to stand this up all the way. We're going to find out. Nice. Printing merch for someone as they like the quality of resin. Awesome. Anybody out there, let me know if you have any questions about this thing, FLSUN S1. I know there's a ton of videos. There's a ton of setups, a bunch of videos on this machine. I know there's a newer firmware now. I saw an email from them recently. So hopefully we'll get that put on and we'll get a first print going. All right. I need you to back up so I can set this up real quick, okay? Okay. I just don't want you to get hurt. And this thing is very heavy. I don't know how this is going to go. Here, back up. No, it's not. Don't smash your fingers again. Okay. I just need you to I need you to back up because this thing is a monster. What is the price on it? I will find out for you today. I don't know today because I didn't look ahead of the stream. But let me try to get this thing stood up without it falling out the other side. I'm hoping. Oh. Okay, watch out, bud. This is every bit. Oh. Every bit of the shipping weight. Oh, let's see. There you go. You can kind of see how tall this thing is. This thing is a monster. There you go. Thank you. $14.99. 1,200 US. $14.99. Thanks. Awesome. Thank you, guys. So I'm gonna slide this thing out. The handles are in here and they're facing like this. So I'm assuming this is the top of the machine. Yes, buddy. No, don't hop on the table. We got to get this out so we can get this box out of here. Hang on. Just wait for a minute. Just wait for a minute. I don't want this to fall off the table. And I don't want you to fall off the table. I'm sneaking in front of the camera. Sorry, guys. Hang on. I need you to fold this back so people can see what we're doing in the darkness here, apparently. All right. God, this thing is huge. I'm going to have you something. Okay. Almost out. Yep, that is a fan, it looks like. Woo! As we reveal FLSUN on the side. There we go. You want to show them how big that box is?
Okay, go in.
You want to climb in there?
Yeah.
Go ahead, quick. Stand up. He is standing. It is a Delta printer, yes. He is standing inside the box. All right, get down. I got to take this box down so we can fix this table. All right, so we saw the printer come out. This thing is a absolute beast. This box is huge. I'm gonna go put this somewhere real quick. Sorry for the craziness on the. Hey, apparently we have Tristan Kitty with us now. This thing is okay. Come on, let go. Thank you for trying to help, but I need to close it. There we go. Woo! This box, buddy, don't touch. I don't want to hurt your hands. This box is an absolute monster. Okay. No playing in the box, please. Not right now. All right. Holy moly. Well, that was something. It looks cool. Okay. What are you doing? Time to get down. Thank you. Time to get down, please. Down on your stool so we can unwrap the plastic. Thank you. I'm going to try to bring this up so everybody can see it, but I got to angle it between lights and a camera here. Okay, buddy? Need you to come down and come around the back of the table if you want to be over here. If you want help, I can come help you with your stool. Okay. This thing is so big, it's hard to get this all in frame. I might actually have to zoom out or something, but for now, we're gonna do this. We're gonna get this unwrapped as it said in the instructions. Okay. All right. You're gonna. Woo! This thing is monster. Are you gonna go with mom and get food now?
No, Mom is done wrapping this.
Oh, you want to unwrap it first? Okay. Let me get it unwrapped. From what I heard, this thing is so fast. I've heard goods and bads about it. I have not obviously tried it myself, so I have no opinion, good or bad. Whoa, bless you. That was some sneezy stuff, huh? Yeah, on the floor or on a very sturdy table. I'm going to show you how big it is in a minute, but we got to get this plastic out first. Okay, can you go in the front, buddy, and pull the plastic out? Thank you. Oh, pull the plastic down off there. Good job. Okay, put it in the styrofoam there, bud. Woo! So let's see if I can make this. There we go. It's a little better. So you can see this thing is taped up very well. Looks like there's a front door here. Yeah. All right. Hey, bud. I'm going to start untaping slowly. I'm guessing that's what we do next, so that's what I'm going to do. Hey, are you going to go get food with mom now?
No.
Can you please?
No.
Okay. Lindsay's here and waiting for Tristan, I think. And as you can hear, well, apparently, surprise, that's just taped in. It's not actually assembled. So there's that. Didn't know that. Good thing I didn't pull an Uncle Jesse and knock it off or break it. Oh, geez. Just caught my microphone. We'll find out in a minute. I don't know if it's glass.
I'm gonna have that tape.
Hopefully, I'm still on. Hang on. Yes. Got it? All right, I got to fix this microphone quick. There we go. It's been a long time. A long time. Got some fun videos from Vision Miner coming out soon. So that'll be cool. There we go. Gaming Midnight Sun. Thank you for commenting, man. I appreciate the people here. It's a random Sunday thing, and all right, let's get this done. If you want to go, honey, you don't have to sit here. Oh, this is funny. It's glass, by the way. Yes, he loves to help. He loves to help. Right now, he's bringing all the packing material over to Lindsay. It is glass, by the way. I'm pretty sure that's definitely glass. He's bringing packing material over to Lindsay and saying that she can use it for her dollhouse stuff that she prints and ships. Hey, can you take that over there, bud? Take it over to my mom and pull the tape off. Okay, so inside. Oh man, what was that? Oh, dude, killing me here. Oh, sorry. Okay. He is inside of here. It's hard to see. We have a big round flex plate like that. It does appear to have some, and I'll show you this in a little bit. It does appear to have a place to actually stop the plate, which is great. I have not opened the top yet. I'll have to turn it towards myself to do that. My guess is we're going to start assembling this. This thing is a monster. Ugh. Woo! I just need to see what's in here. It looks like, oh, there's some desiccant that goes up in the top. I'm assuming because that's where you put your, nice. That's where you put your filament up in here. Here's a whole bunch of wires that need to go into the back of the control panel there. Great. All right, then. The only thing I don't see is like, oh, here's some screws. I was gonna say I don't see screws to put anything together, but I just found them, I think. Okay. Let's grab the instructions. Try to get you guys a, thank you. I appreciate that. Try to get you guys a better shot of that. So it looks like we're going to put the door hinge on. Again, I had seen videos, but I haven't watched them too much. I mean, I've seen talk and all that stuff, but I didn't want to watch too many videos and get swayed, we'll call it. I don't know. But okay, take it all out. Take the glass out. Great. Now, use the M3x6 screws to attach 2 hinges to the X-axis as shown. Remove the clips from the 3 belt locks and sliders. Okay. Oh, I see the hinges. They came in that original toolkit. They're little black hinges. So we're going to have to, nope. Going to have to get them going. I can show you that a little better here. They look like, if it'll focus, there we go. They look like this. There's 2 of them. And we're going to put them on the glass and then put the glass on the machine. My assumption would be that the padded part of this hinge goes against the glass. That's what my assumption is, of course. Let's see if it shows any better way here. Not really. So, ooh, this big piece of glass, my assumption is it's going to sit in here and hinge it out and in like this, which means this probably sits in there like that. And then that will get attached like that. So we'll get these screwed in quick. Maybe it's backwards. Maybe it's like this. I'm going to go like that. Let's see what happens. It's not exactly clear. What's up, Andrew? Yeah, 3D printer unboxing. Trying to get it put together is what we're doing. It says as shown, but it doesn't really show you. So we're going to figure it out. Maybe it's these. M3 screws to attach the 2 hinges to the X-axis. I'm going with it. There's a bag of stuff, and I'll show you what's in this bag of stuff in a second. And then basically it looks like some inserts and some M3 bolts. So inserts that probably go in the glass like bushings. And then, hey, what's going on? Are you being crazy? Uh-oh. And I'm dropping some. Trying to show you what's going on, but apparently the bag closed. I don't know what. No, don't touch. Don't touch, please. Don't touch, please. I might have dropped one. That's what I do. I drop stuff. You know, that's how I roll. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dude, what was that? Oh. Yeah, I might have drew maybe 1, 2, 3, 4. We should have 6. No, we should have 8 if there's enough here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all we should have of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I might be crazy here. Either they didn't give me enough or I dropped more than I thought. Yeah. Let's look real quick. Oh. Okay. I mean, I don't see any. Please stop throwing stuff. All right. Well, we're going to go for it and see what happens here. Please stop. So I'm assuming these little bushing things like this go in the glass, and then yeah. Tristan, stop, please. Okay. You're gonna have to go with mom now. Yep. Time to go. Because you're not listening. You will? All right, let's see if I can show this. So currently we're working on this. Dude? Hi. I know you're being silly, but no more, please.
I'm just doing that for you slow with the weight.
Oh. I don't even know if this is correct, but we're going to go for it anyway. I think these bushings go in like that and like this. I'm just guessing. We're going for it.
Glue for you.
Thank you. Okay, no more, please. Dude. Yep, I'm guessing that goes in like that. And then your screw goes down through that bushing and holds it. That's what we're going to do. Mostly because it doesn't say to do that. It doesn't say not to do that. But I feel like that's a better option than just putting one of these screws. I don't know. I don't know. Unless, okay, thank you, buddy. Unless these go on like this.
Daddy, look on a glass.
They probably have instructions online,
Daddy, look on the
but
that.
we're going for it. All right.
Daddy,
Yeah,
on the glass.
Uncle Jesse. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Enough now. Okay. No more. Is that thing as tall as it is tall? I have it on a table. My desk is about right here, and it's huge printer. Yeah. Tristan, please stop. Okay, no more. I'm guessing these bushings go in here so this doesn't slide. That's what we're gonna do.
Daddy,
I'm going for it.
Daddy,
Yes, sir.
I'm doing that for you. Full stuff away.
Okay, thank you. Can you please not do that anymore? Okay.
Oh, okay. If I see a thing you throw away,
Okay.
I'll give it to you.
Nope, I don't want that, please.
So you
Buddy,
away.
buddy, please stop.
Away.
Okay. You have a choice now. You can help, or you can go with mom and get lunch. That is too big. Okay. Hey, that one worked. We're going for it. Let's see what happens. According to the picture, I don't know. I can't tell what the picture shows me. If we're being honest. It just says install the hinges. And that's what I'm trying to do here. That's all I want to do. Install the hinges. Yeah. He probably would do a really good job installing this door with the knowing that Uncle Jesse did what he did. He has a bad record there, Uncle Jesse does. Either I'm missing, I think I'm missing some screws though. Somehow.
Hey, Daddy, another thing we'll put on this.
Thank you, buddy. Thank you.
On your toolbox.
Thank you. Don't know if this is correct. Don't know if it is or not. But we're going to find out. Okay. Looking for more screws. I don't see any, but maybe there's another package. There was another package of screws.
Hi, guys.
Oh, it's over here. So maybe this is them. Let's try this. Let's see. M3 attach 2 hinges to the X-axis. Yep. Okay, we're gonna try it. We are gonna try it. This thing is serious. Yeah, why? That's right. All right. That printer's more expensive than my first car. Yeah, I hear you. I need some water. All right, dude. Time to go with mom to grab some lunch, and we'll see you in a little bit. Okay. Well, mom is here to take you to go get lunch. I know you don't want to go get lunch, but buddy, by the time you get back, we'll be able to print something. How about that? I'm going to take off. There's some clear belt locks. See, this is why you got to go with mom, buddy, because you're not. Oh, because you're not helping. You're doing that kind of stuff. No, you already just did that. Pick that up. All right. I'm going to turn this slightly towards me so I can try to get these hinges in without busting them. Let's see if they'll actually work here.
Daddy,
Uh-oh.
I
Oh, no.
have you.
Yeah? Maybe I put them on backwards. Come on. Definitely put them on backwards. They're on backwards. Son of a gun. Good thing it's a fast, quick change here. Okay. What are you going to do for lunch? You want McDonald's?
Sure.
Okay.
Maybe mommy again by
Yeah,
herself.
Mommy's going to go get it with you.
No,
So you can pick out my food too.
No. Just tell me what you want.
I need you to do nothing for now.
No, I really.
Because Daddy put these on backwards.
Daddy,
Yeah.
Daddy, I will make English.
Need to get the kicked version. Did you get the kicked version? I don't know. The box was a little rough. So far, everything looks good inside. There's a lot of styrofoam. You need to give me a minute, bud. Yes, in a minute. Here. We got to turn these over. I'll show you how you can help me. Because Daddy put this in wrong. Here, hang on. There you go. Hang on. There you go. Now screw that this way. Nope, let go. This way. There you go. Now tighten it all the way down. You can go on. We're working on it. Andrew S says you need to go get some food to get big and strong.
Well, I want mommy to just go.
You want Mommy to just go?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Tell me what you
Let me see.
eat.
Let's see why it's not screwing in there. Hang on.
Tell me what you want to eat.
How about chicken nuggets?
Chicken nuggets just like the
How about chicken nuggets and a Coke and stuff? Do you need to go potty?
No.
Okay.
Yeah,
We're what? How far in here? 40 something minutes, and we're just working on the door still. Sorry, guys. So the hinges were on backwards. I shall show you in a second what that means. But FLSUN, the pictures in this tiny book are tiny, and you can't see them. So maybe there's an online one we could follow or something like that. It does, right? It looks like you get in it and take off. It's the next doctor's phone booth. All right. Okay. So I'm going to try this. This is the hinge. This is the front. This is the back where the screws are. It appears that the screws have to go in the back. You see that handle's in the front? You have to screw it in from the back to the front, if that makes any sense. So I'm going to put this on. That should be better. Let's not Uncle Jesse this. Clayton, if you're watching, I'm sorry. But our goal is to not Uncle Jesse this.
What kind of printer is this?
This is an FLSUN S1.
Okay.
It's a Delta printer.
Okay.
So it prints a little bit different than the printers that you've seen.
Well, Daddy.
By a little bit, I mean a lot of it different.
Well, Daddy.
Yeah.
I think I want you if we print a yellow ding dong, which will video go down by itself in a day.
So Tristan is big into trains, and
Daddy?
he would like me to print him a train crossing, and he calls it a ding dong. Because when they go down and the train crossings go across to block the tracks, they make ding dong sounds, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Daddy, I think I want you if we put the light with that too.
Okay. I got two screws in,
Daddy,
one on the top, one on the bottom. We shouldn't let this
Daddy,
shouldn't
let me
fall
tell you
anymore.
What kind of ding dong I want?
What kind of ding dong do you need, buddy?
I want a barrier to go down, only it's yellow.
A barrier that goes down that's yellow. Hope you
And
guys are getting this.
Daddy,
Yep.
I want all of a ding dong yellow.
Okay, you want it all yellow?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I want wanted a video go down by itself, lights turn on.
Yeah, we'll look on the
Change
USB
light,
stick.
And the video go down by itself. And
If you're
lights
near the
up.
railroad by my car, it
Hey.
makes the sound of car getting
Daddy?
yeeted.
Daddy,
Yeah,
I
buddy.
want you all red, yellow, and I wanted if the video go
Okay.
down by itself, the lights
Look.
light up, it sings.
Look at this. It's so good, it doesn't even close. What in the world?
Daddy,
Seriously, is this song bad again? Hang on, bud. I need to figure this out.
hey, Daddy, you please print me Daddy?
Yeah.
Can you please print me a
The
ding
door-
dong?
The door doesn't close. Let's see.
Daddy,
Yes, sir.
I want you to print a ding dong.
Okay,
If it's this
we'll talk
picture,
about that. Yeah.
if it's yellow. Can you do that?
Sure.
What do you say?
Sure.
For what?
Sure.
For what?
I don't know what's going on.
Daddy?
It's not, it doesn't close. So the hinges are probably not on correctly. I'm not gonna lie, my family doesn't have a great track on hinges here. These are even created for us. I'll have to go back and look and see what happened here. Because it's so wide, it doesn't close. The only thing I could think of is if literally the hinges are on completely backwards. Let's see. Man, foiled by those hinges. Let me look. I might have to get out the SD card like somebody said and see if I can figure out. It says as shown, and you can't see the pictures. So if I'm new and I'm looking at this tiny book here, that doesn't help me because clearly this isn't correct. It doesn't close. It doesn't fit in here. It's hanging way over the edge here, and I feel like this should close. So, buddy, please take that somewhere else. It's possible that the hinges are on literally like backwards. We could try that. Gonna have to try that because this ain't gonna work. I'm gonna try one. We'll see what happens. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna take them off. You don't have to sit here, honey. For you guys, yeah. You're hungry. I'm trying not to break glass, and this clearly this hinge situation is not right. These hinges are not on correctly.
Daddy.
Unhinged, yes. This is unhinged, yes.
Is this are you still filming these veggie boats?
Am I doing what? Filming?
Yeah.
No, I don't know. I need those benchy boats here. Yeah, we can't take those home yet. But if you want to show the camera the benchy boats, that's fine. That's probably more riveting than this hinge replacement again. Reach way up there. Yep, there's a benchy boat. There's a green one, yep. And a white one. This is my benchy Vanna. I don't even know. Let's try this again. I'm going to flip hinges 180 degrees. Same orientation, just I'm going to flip the hinge upside down, I'm guessing. I don't know. Don't touch that. It'll hit the camera up here. Thank you. So, let's see. So we're going to try, I just don't get it right now. Because that wouldn't open that way. Has to go this way. Yeah. Okay. Bye. Yeah, it has to go this way. I don't know unless I guess unless no, it has to go that way. Glass. Yeah. Who needs a door? Who needs a door? I might plug in the USB card if I can find a thumb drive to see if they have pictures online. I'm sure they might, but it just doesn't show what I mean. It shows the hinge, but it doesn't help. Yeah. And it can't go. I guess the only other way I could do. Yeah, bud. Okay, go ahead. Where is she? Let me make sure she's still there so you're not leaving by yourself. Okay. He's going with you? Okay. Bye. Sorry, guys. Let's plug this USB drive in and see if there's an instruction manual. Who needs a I'm serious. Who needs a door? I'm just plugging this bad boy in here, sorry. Just throw it in there and hope for the best. Get my mouse. This thing is, there's nothing on here. FLSUN slicer is the only thing on the SD card. They've updated PDF and manuals are just, okay. So what you're telling me is I need to go find the new manual. Let's go find the new manual real quick because this thing is garbage. Now I'm guessing whatever they send out to people, I'm hoping, is better than this. I've had this for quite a while, a couple months. So I'm really hoping that whatever they send out to everybody else has a better manual than this. Let me go through. I'm going through all their stuff here. Well, that didn't help me. Materials, accessories, 3D printing accessories. That doesn't help me. Duct tape fixes everything. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Like I said, I've had it for a couple months. So maybe this is accessories or sales of products. Company. Where in the heck? Where in the heck is SO1 manual PDF? I don't know. User manual. FLSUN wiki. Let's check this out. It won't open. Oh, there we go. I'm like bending across the desk. I might have to put this on the other screen here. Well, I'm back. What did I miss? Well, this thing is not great. The manual is not great. Unbox it, boot it, filament method. Unbox. Let's see. Do they have pictures of? Let me move this up so I can share them with you. I found on their wiki page. Wiki. All right. Let me present. A window. This window. Go. Here you go. Let me just make that full screen. All right. See that? Yeah, thank you, Andrew S. So here's what they show. So let me see what I got cooking here. It looks like faced that way. Yeah. Yeah, it has to go that way. That's what I did. Pretty sure that's what I did. Yeah. Maybe. No, that's not what I did. I see what I did now. Okay. I catch what it's throwing. So you guys can see in the center of the screen there what it's showing. And I know what happened. Let me remove that. So now I understand. See, clear pictures actually lead to good instructions. Who'd have thought? Who would have thought? This was hoping this wasn't going to be an all-day thing here, but you know, with these hinges. I see what's going on. And I can fix it. It's not that big a deal. I just needed a clearer shot. So that the picture in the actual manual you can't even tell what it shows. But now that we have a better picture, thank you, FLSUN, for updating that and giving us a clear shot. I'm sorry, I'm not looking at chat. Looks like Andrew S was the last one to comment. That's good. You know, we're still a minute here from getting this done, and also I think I need to update the firmware right away because I need to get it going. I need to find that process. So I'll work on that in a minute, but right now the process is me getting these hinges on so we can get this stinking door going so we can get to the next steps. And my little guy decided he wanted to go with mom to go get lunch, which is fine. Hopefully they bring me back some Coke or something. I don't know. Take a Coke. Okay. So now I can put these doors on. We have a couple options because they're going to screw in from the other side that I can actually kind of close them, the hinges. Just makes way more sense. And I can hold them here carefully and not Uncle Jesse it. Sorry, Clayton. Sorry, Uncle Jesse, I mean. Let's pop this bad boy in there. I'm going to get a couple of these in now. This is way better. This machine, I mean, it looks really nice. All hinge joking aside, I do have to say that this machine looks like $1 million. I mean, it does really look nice. Now that the hinges are going in correctly, maybe I should check out the rest of the documentation on here instead of in the manual. Give me 1 second. I'll get back to your comments because I haven't been paying attention. It is, yes. I am really warm in here. Actually, it's very warm because my dehumidifiers are pumping hard in this space and it puts off a lot of heat. So next, take out the glass door, put them in. Great. Now we need to untape all the data lines and plug them in. And then fix use the H2 Allen wrench to fix the top of the screen to the things. Okay, good. So now we're onto the screen. I don't know. I'm going to try to lift this up a little higher so we can see a little better here. I might have to move some stuff around. Actually, I don't know if my GoPro has any batteries. This one might be dead, but I might have some other ones. So I might be able to get a GoPro up in here. So the next thing we need to do is do the screen here. And I don't think this view is going to help us. I mean, the screen is going to go on there, but I'd rather show you straight on, right? Like GoPro style. Let me just check my chats here. Too warm to hear the other hinges. Yeah. Funny stuff here. Funny stuff, guys and girls. Hey, we have a huge crowd today. No, not really. Sorry about the last minute stuff. I know I've been away from the channel for a bit, and we're gonna get back into it now. Hopefully, just been life gets in the way sometimes, but we're back. Got some fun stuff coming with some other creators. I got some more Vision Miner cool like stuff coming. Let's see. Does this have power? Yeah. How much battery? We'll take it. We'll take it. Now I can get you guys the shot, you know. We'll try at least. Check this out. Yeah, baby. That's better. Okay. Yeah. I'm going to grab some water. I'm going to move the stool out of the way because it's hot. Just drinking regular water today. Nothing special. Okay. Now what it wants me to do is get this monitor on. It appears that it goes on like this. There's 2 screws here that hold it in place. But first you have to come in here and plug all of those in. It is zip tied, so carefully without cutting one of them. Cut the zip tie. It looks like it's all USB-C, which is kind of sweet. And the zip tie went the wrong way, which is funny. Story of this build so far. There we go. Nailed it. Okay. So all of these are actually this is 3 here. We have 2 and 1, and then on the back of the screen, hopefully you can see. There you go. Connect by numbers, and then there's your big pin there. So I'm just gonna do 1, 2, 3, and the big one, and then we'll get that on. And while we're doing that, let me shrink this so I can see your comments because I can't currently. There we go. So 3, and it's just USB-C, which is pretty nice actually, because it just pops in then. Nothing fancy, can't put it in wrong, which is great. And then the last one just goes in as well. Now I'm wondering if, now I don't know this. Again, I haven't watched much on this thing. I've seen videos come out. I have just barely touched any of them. I haven't watched any full videos on this machine, but I'm curious as far as firmware goes. Are we going to have to update the screen as well? So that actually screws in like that. I'm hoping we don't have to update the screen, but hey, you know, you never know. If I do, I guess I'm taking that back off in a minute. All right, let me see what screws they're using. Okay. The bottom of the screen too? Huh. Interesting. Okay. Here. We'll get you in there. So it looks like we're going to grab a couple of these little guys for the top. And then there's some screws in the bottom as well. This one just goes right here. And I'm really hoping we don't have to pull this back out to do the firmware on the screen or anything. That would suck. But that's okay. Getting it together. We're hurrying. I know you guys are here on a Sunday. It's not a great day for a live stream, but we're here. It's a great day for us for a live stream. Make sure that's tight. Okay. Now it looks like there's some screws on the bottom too that go in. It's going to be super hard to get this, but it's under here, one on each side. Not going to be able to show you that real easily, especially with that glare. But there are two little screws here like this, and there is grooves. This is where if you have T-handles are amazing. This is not the right size T-handle. Apparently, we're moving up in the T-handle world to another one. This is what do we got here? The 2.5, and then they slide in like that, and hopefully screw in like that. That is where T-handles come in huge for us. I love them. Always said that. So there's just a slot in there, and then you can use your T-handle or your Allen wrench, whatever you need to use. Get it tight. Cool. That step is now done. Let me check comments. Let's see. Great to see all this new printers, but manufacturers start investing in filament recycling machines. There is a couple cool ones coming out, and I want to check some out. I've never played with one, but if people would watch the videos, I probably would check it out. Remove the 3 clip locks. I already did that. Okay, great. So I have officially done this step. Okay. Well, that should have only taken us a little bit, but the hinge thing clearly took way longer than we thought. Sorry about that. I'm just going to move some stuff around. Now I'm going to go back to the tiny little book and see what's next. I think we turn it on now. Honestly, I think we turn it on. Screen. Yeah. Secure the underside of the screen. Great. Now we power it on. Okay. We're powering it on. I'm going to move this down. I'm going to keep bringing this up. Where did I put our power cables? Right here. This is the one they sent me. So we're going to use that. I'm going to get a separate power source because I don't want to plug into the desk. A few times I plugged in and all of a sudden had glitches and shut the stream down and stuff. So I am no longer going to be doing that. Unfortunately, well, that is just not my favorite. All right. Let me just do this. Just going to change out some stuff here. There we go. Where did he put that? I'm going to plug into a switched power. So I really love these Wi-Fi switches. This is a TP-Link version. I really love them because I can turn them off remotely. So, and on remotely, This particular one isn't powering up, so that's not fun. What did I do? It should be powering up. Maybe 'tis the problem. We'll find out in a second. So this particular, I don't know if it's just dead or what. Oh, there's a light. I just can't see it. Okay. So we're going to do this. Make sure we have power. We do. I'm going to turn the desk here, or at least the stuff, so you guys can see the screen power up for the first time. And so I can see it power up for the first time. I'll show you a good view of that. Thank you again for being here on a Sunday afternoon. All right. Great. Hopefully everything sounds okay, looks okay. Got fan back on. Let me get this. I would love to turn it towards you, but you won't. There's so much glare that I'm actually going to try to spin it somehow away. just for the power on, so I can show you with the GoPro what the screen looks like. And I'll jump back into chat in 1 second. Oh man, that is just some rough anglage, huh? Sheesh. Maybe I should just go towards you. Let's see. Oh, there we go. I'm fine with that. Oh, of course. Then it all depends on where the camera hits you. All right, we're going to see what happens here. I will try to do my best to give you a screen that doesn't show lights. Shane, I think you need a new laser or printer, something. That's a big printer, yes. Voltage. I can look. Fingerprint magnet, probably. Good point. They didn't say anything in the instructions about changing the voltage. I don't see anywhere in the back of this printer to do that. We're going for it. I don't know if it's booting up yet or not. Oh, hey, look, we got an FLSUN. Here, let's see if I can just get you in here. Ignore the glare. FLSUN boot up screen here. Waiting for Clipper Connect. Okay, great. See, kind of a crazy view, but I'm going to go back to the actual instructions just in case they changed them on us. Boot Wizard and first printing manual. Connect the power cord. Short press the power button on the screen module to turn it on. Okay, I didn't have to do that. Then I have to go through here. So we're going to go find English because I can't read the other languages. Now it wants me to connect my Wi-Fi here. So I could probably do that. Let me take you away for a minute. We'll go here. I don't think you're going to be able to see this anyway, but whatever. Not like you're going to be stealing my Wi-Fi here. Are you? Just joking. I got to figure out if I can type this. Okay, where's all these buttons? Let's see. And I definitely mistyped. Trying to type in a weird fashion here. I think that is what it is. Let's find out. Connection succeeded. Next. All right. So get you back over here. So now it wants me to complete a calibration. Takes about 10 minutes, it says. See if I can get you a better shot here. I might move this around and see if I can get you a better shot. But it's going to do a whole bunch of stuff, it looks like. Motor calibration, vibration, compensation, bed leveling, and a finish. Now, I imagine what stinks about this is I'm going to have to do this again when there you go, kind of see it there, when I do the firmware. But what would we rather see? Probably rather not see the screen, right? Here. I'm going to turn this. We're going to open it up. We're actually going to watch the thing. How about that? Bam. Then I'm going to go back to you. We'll go through all this stuff. And then there's more steps. Okay. So what I need to do is go back to firmware. I mean, I'm hoping it's over the air, but I don't know that. It does say it's over the air. So, and we'll find out in a minute or 10. We'll go back to you guys. How you guys doing? Doing good? Let's see. That's the internal part there. It's doing stuff and stuff. I mean, I've seen people get really good prints. I haven't, like I said, I haven't watched many videos, but I have seen content like pictures and stuff on Twitter and Instagram where people are getting killer prints from this machine. So I really hope that's the case. Yeah. What do you guys think? So as we're talking here, what do we got? Oh, it looks like the build volume is 320 by 430. That's what it looks like. If you're looking for product dimensions, it's 550 by 595 by 1,030 millimeters. That's how big this machine is. Dual gear, direct drive. It's got a hardened steel nozzle. Something is rattling like crazy. What is that? Weird. It's like a screw is loose, and it's like a screw rattling noise. It was until it went away during the higher frequencies. Maybe I left the screw in there. I don't think I did though. Carbon fiber rods. It looks like, well, at least that's what it looks like. Steel or aluminum plate on the bottom there by the head. Let's see. Let me get you closer here. There we go. Maybe. It's doing stuff right now. There you go. Ooh, barbecue pulled pork pasta. That sounds great. Great. So currently it's doing vibration compensation. I mean, I do love the screen. The screen is very nice. I mean, it shows you what it's doing. It's got nice graphic. I mean, it looks nice. Now it's homing at the top there, and it looks like it's going to do some bed leveling. It's heating up the plate, I believe, right now. Yeah, that's what it's doing now. So there we go. What I should do real quick, and what I'll do real quick is if you guys have questions, let me know. If you want to talk about random stuff, that's fine too. I need to go see what the new firmware is on this. I'm really hoping it just shows up as the new one. Ready for takeoff? Yeah. It's actually not that. I mean, that wasn't that loud, to be honest. The vibration compensation and all that stuff, not that loud. The machine itself looks really nice. I kind of like, I haven't used it yet, you know. I haven't used it yet, but I kind of like that the filament is encapsulated in the top. I have seen some issues with that from people's posts, but you know, you never know. Here you go. Now we're doing some stuff. Doing some bed leveling. Looks like there was a little bit of filament left in from testing, maybe, because there's a little bit of a string on the bottom of the nozzle. Interesting noises. When this thing is going, it might be screaming. Now, I did hear that this uses a CPAP pump for the air. for the blower, and I heard that it's super loud. So we're gonna find out. I believe the filament chamber is heated. Yes, it is wrapped on the inside. Here, I can show you something. You can see it up here. That foil, that's where the filament sits. It is wrapped on the inside there too. I can double check that, but I do believe that it is heated chamber. Let's see. It is a filament. They call it a filament dryer box. So yes, whatever that means. So it's still doing this bed leveling. It's almost done, according to this screen. I don't know how many of these points it's going to do. Excuse me. Choke it here. So I'm hoping as soon as this is done, I'm hoping to do the firmware update right away. I don't want to mess around with this on an old firmware. I heard it needs it. Yeah, I believe there are some other people out there that have modified this thing in the filament area. We're gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna use it as is until I need to change anything. We'll see. We'll see. I'm curious how it prints. I'm also curious how loud it's going to be with that CPAP blower. From what I understand, it screams. It's loud. I should probably check let me check my battery on my mics here. Just make sure we're good. Oh, we are good there, and we're good there. All right, we're good there. We're good everywhere. So overall installation to get to this point isn't bad, as long as you don't have a 4-year-old turning off your stream and stuff like that, and also as long as you don't put the dang hinges in backwards. They should go in like this. So there's a better picture online we found. So the back plate goes here, and you screw through the front of the door. Just a heads up. That's how they should go in. I need to get back into streaming, huh? It's been too long. Too long. So we're close to being done, I believe. It is now. I'm going to go back up and home. Okay, great. That's what we look like so far right now. And it just went to finish. The last checker there. Now you see the interface there. Looks nice. Looks like we're on the Wi-Fi. Hey, look, there's an update. Update. Maybe. I don't know. I clicked it. There we go. So I'm hoping that starts the update. There we go. I clicked it. There we go. Firmware update in progress. Please wait. There you go. Cool, cool. Let me just double check. They did send me that there's a new version. And if FLSUN's watching, I apologize that it took so long to get here. As far as the video goes, it's just been an interesting couple months here. And yeah. Let's see. Oh, that's June 3rd. Here we go. Firmware 104.4. So we'll see what it actually showed me. I don't remember, but I think it was close to that. So it should be 104.4, and that should fix time-lapse photography function as far as generating time-lapse videos, improve the heated bed leveling function, increase the Z offset value range. It enhances vibration compensation, optimized AI features such as first layer detection, debris detection, spaghetti detection, improves filament runout detection. Go back here. Let's see. Improves filament runout, enhances power failure recovery, fixes the issue of potential clogging during filament retractions, improved Wi-Fi network transmission speeds, startup wizard logic, Wi-Fi connection stuff, printer auto shutdown logic, fixes the issue where cooling fan did not turn off after shutdown. That'd be interesting. Resolve the issue where the camera might not recognize if it's plugged in or out. And a couple other quick ones, UI stuff. So let's see what this is when we're done. It should be 104.4. And we're so close, but now I feel like I need to run that startup stuff again, right? Let me know in the chat what you think. I really do think that we should probably run all that calibration again real quick. Lindsay says, Tristan says we are at McDonald's and he is naming all his food. Nice. I'm glad you guys are at McDonald's. Hopefully you guys are getting a good lunch. I'm glad he went with you. Thank you for coming and getting him. I love you guys. I've done my first stream in nearly 5 months. Yeah, it has been a while. I think April was my last stream like this. Now we do Hotmakes every other week. Tomorrow, I believe we have a Hotmakes. And we do broadcast that here, but it's mostly on the Hotmakes channel. I do think we have a guest tomorrow too, which is cool. I have some cool streams. I really do. I have some stuff I need to get streamed and get out of here. As far as, on stream, I got some videos I really do need to make. So hopefully I'm going to get some more streaming going. Maybe tomorrow after Hotmakes. We'll see how it goes. Maybe tomorrow after Hotmakes, or one of these nights. I have a 3D scanner I really want to play with. I've never played with one yet. I need to just unbox it and play with it. So maybe one of these next couple nights coming up or something, we'll figure that out. This thing is still running the firmware upgrade. It says upgrade in progress. Please wait. I noticed the fans shut off. So I don't know if it's like rebooting itself or what. Big Mac supersize, please, while you're at McDonald's, Lindsay. Andrew S. says, if you're still watching. I think I could just go for a Coke right now or something. Like, I'm so... Yeah. This thing's still doing this thing. As long as it completes, it's fine if it takes a little while. I'm kind of glad that it's over the air. It makes it a little bit easier than having to grab SD cards and transfer files and all that stuff. So, yeah. I like that the SD card slots, excuse me, sorry about that. I like that the SD card slots are on the front, built into the screen. Or built into the front bezel, I should say. It's not really built into the screen part. There's a power button and 2 SD card slots, which is cool. Obviously, we'll bring you a Coke back. Nice. Thank you so much. I don't know why it just sounds really good. Actually, a Coke sounds really good, but a vanilla shake sounds even better. Now that we know that there's jack on this SD card, not even a first print, by the way. All it had on it was the slicer. Yeah, vanilla shake. That sounds really good too. Anyways, Oh, great. Upgrade failed. So there's that. There you go. That's always good. Oh geez. Too high. That's not good. Let's try again. I hope. Maybe. Maybe shut it off and turn it back on. Let's just go see what it says it's on here. About. Yeah, it's on version 1.0.0.0.0. I don't think I have to have the SD card in. Oh, 1004.6, 811. There's a new one, it looks like. Let's try it. Let's try it. Hey, we have a bar this time. Don't know that we had the bar last time. Cross our fingers. Yeah, Shane, you're right. We're going to find out in a minute. The bar is actually moving this time, so it's a good sign. You can see that blue bar there, and it's actually going across. The last time, I don't believe I saw that. Or it just got stuck forever. Maybe that was the problem. So I thought it was going to be 1.4.4, and now it's 1.4.6. So there even is a newer one since they emailed me like 2 days ago or something. It looks like it came out the 11th, which would have been today. So that explains why there's a newer one than what they told me about. I have no idea what it does. They haven't emailed me about it yet. But let's just hope it works, because it looks like there's quite a bit of firmware upgrades since this thing was sent to me in early June. Again, FLSUN S1. I just want to get. I want to see it. I heard it's super fast. I heard it's crazy. It's fun. I just want to see it printing. You know. Also, FLSUN. I apologize that it's taken me this long. It's taking me too long to get to this. So, what do you guys think? You think they have a built-in? I think somebody probably put this thing in maybe like Orca. I bet you it's on that site. Online updates, online printing, machine maintenance, troubleshooting. Here's the manual, Boot Wizard and first printing manual. Still going, everybody. Firmware upgrade in progress. Please wait. We're crossing our fingers that it finishes this time. Okay, great. We're good. It's showing that. Shows me how to load the filament. Okay. Okay. Looks like you can adjust the Z on the fly, which is cool. Orca import S1 configuration. Here we go. There is looks like I'll download that. Looks like that's downloading. You need the FLSUN printer before you need to add the FLSUN before you can add the profile. Okay. So it does look like there's an Orca config here. So I'm probably going to do that and not use theirs. I guess I could just plug in theirs and see what it does. But, I mean, also couldn't if I didn't want to. Ooh, nice. Oh, now I just did it. Come on, firmware. Please don't fail. That is not fun. It is sitting here again forever, guys and gals. It's just sitting on that line forever. We are hoping that it doesn't fail. I'm going to check. I can't remember if I loaded Orca on this computer or not. I did not. Should I see what their slicer looks like just for the heck of it? Dang it. Don't fail. Do not fail. You know, since I don't have a since it doesn't even have a test model on this thing here. All it is an E and I'm just going to copy this. We'll paste it out here. Nope, I don't want to copy the shortcut. We'll just drag it. Oh, it failed again. I'm going to reboot the printer and see what happens. Because it just failed the firmware again. Dang it. Can you just do this? Okay, I shut her down, 10 seconds, turned it back on, and the screen did not go off. So that was weird. What the heck? Shut her down. I'm pulling the plug. Screen is still on. I am holding the power plug. Right here. Hang on. Holding this. And there's lights still on the screen. Check this out. I don't know if you saw that flashing. Man, this table's crazy. That was interesting. Okay. I'm gonna plug it in again. It held power for quite a while there. It looks like there's a UPS, maybe. After power outage, the printer briefly operates to save data and reset the effector. Oh, cool. See that? Learn something new every day. I was like, why is this thing not shutting down? Apparently, it has a very small built-in UPS. Or at least something to hold the power on long enough for it to do what it needs to do. All right, so efficiently. Let me go look. We're still on the same old firmware. I rebooted everything. It hasn't told me there's a new firmware yet. And this is taking forever. All right. Oh, it looks like it's trying to connect to the Wi-Fi again here. It's making me put my password in again. Just a heads up. Maybe the new firmware fixes this. Yeah. Because I'm not a fan of having to do this every time I turn the printer off. That would not be cool. All right, we're back on the Wi-Fi. Excuse me. Hasn't yelled at me about firmware yet. I'm going to shut this because we don't really need it open. Should be a magnet holding it, I thought. Or not. I guess not. I mean, there's little magnet things up here. There's magnet tape on here, but it doesn't hold it. Okay. Weird. All right, we're on the network. Let me go to About, Update. It says it's unable to check the firmware version. All I want to do is see a first print on the right firmware because, you know, let's see. Are we on the network? Connected. We are on the network. See an IP address. You can turn lights on and off. That's nice. Says there's a firmware update. Last updated was today. We're trying again. Here we go. Woo! While that is doing that, I guess I could try to play around with some filament, at least getting it started and not like feeding it and all that stuff. But, you know, yeah. Oh, man. I really just want this firmware to work. That way we can keep moving. If this firmware doesn't work, then I don't know what we do. Let me know in the chat what you think we should do. There's only like, I don't even know, 35 of you watching. Thank you so much for being here on a Sunday afternoon. Let me know what you think we should do. Should we send it with the old crappy firmware that's on here if this keeps failing? Or should we shut the stream down and I'll try to figure out the firmware stuff and update it in a video coming up or something? I'm not sure. I could update it on socials, but honestly, send it. Everybody's sending it. I really hope this works. You know, they have a new firmware and it should work. So this is the high-speed filament FLSUN sent me. High-speed 3D printing filament, PLA HS. Thank you, FLSUN, for that. I wish this was a full roll. You guys include a full spool. It could be a full roll in the spool, but that's okay. Okay, we are officially to where we got last time. Fingers crossed. I mean, I didn't look. Is the download failing? I have no idea. It just says firmware update in progress. Please wait. That's all I got. All I got. And it's OTA. I can run and look. Maybe we can look to see if it's online. I can run and look, I suppose, to see if there is a firmware thing. Oh yeah, I was supposed to set up this slicer. Sorry. Oh, welcome to FLSUN. Oh, this is pretty much just Prusa slicer. It looks like. S1. I don't need any of these other ones. I just need the S1. Okay. And next. Okay, next. Great. Next. Finish. It's still doing it. Firmware update in progress. Please wait. While we did that, I went ahead and got the slicer going here that they sent. I probably won't use this. I'll probably use Orca. But it's on there. Let me see. Online updates and precautions. There's a new version. Great. So it tells you to recalibrate after it finishes. The problem is we haven't got the firmware to finish yet. So there's that. FLSUN S1 firmware. Let's just go see. Let's go see what they have here. S1 download. Okay. It failed again, just so everybody knows. I can't, I'm on their site here, and I don't think it's downloading anything. Let's see. Nope. It's not showing me any firmware here on their website. And when I click on the S1, there's a little download thing. It says waiting for whatever, and then it doesn't do anything. It doesn't download it. It doesn't do anything. So there's that. Well, yeah. I mean, it keeps failing. Reboot and try again. I did that. I can do it again, but I already rebooted and tried again. I'm trying to find here. Let me see if I can share this. I'll just go full like this so you can see what I'm seeing here. Oh, you know what? I didn't share the window. Hang on. Dang it. Hang on. Reboot. Leave the update as they probably haven't finished it. Maybe. But I mean, like, they made a point to tell me update this thing before you use it. So there's that. I mean, but yeah, I mean, whatever. So here's this, right? I'm going to go over here. We're going to type in FLSUN S1 firmware, right? Let's go to the second one. I went to the first one first. It didn't do anything. This is a history. I don't know. So support for the S1, great. Look, there's nothing here. It's not there. You can't do anything. Click here again. Waiting. So it takes me here, right? There's no firmware. If I click this, there's a troubleshooting FAQ. Yeah. But there's nothing here. So, yeah. I guess we're gonna send it. I mean, I don't know what else to do. Why not? Newest updates OTA only, yeah. Reboot and leave the update as they probably haven't finished yet. You can download it. You can't download. I can't find it to download it to a stick. It keeps failing, I think. You know, the only other thing I could think of is, do I need to have the USB stick in it? Just for argument's sake, we're going to try that. I'm going to put the USB stick in the front in one of the slots. I don't know that this will make any difference. And it barely goes in. Holy mother of mercy. That is tight. Sheesh. USB stick barely goes in. Okay. Argument's sake, we're going to use USB sticks in. Maybe, just maybe, it needs the USB stick. Maybe it needs to download it to the stick. I don't know. Yeah, there's no download links. Yeah, exactly. This doesn't, whoa, Jesus. If this doesn't work, then we are going for it. We're just going to pop this filament in. We are going to plop a benchy out of this thing as fast as it'll do a benchy. And then I'm going to shut it down and we're going to get a hold of FLSUN and say, what the heck? It really stinks because this filament, I mean, this machine looks so nice. It really does. You know, I think besides the door not closing, this is really weird. I don't know what's going on with that. There's magnet tape in there and it's not doing anything. You know? So I don't know why that is. But whatever. So that doesn't close. This door closes and it actually snaps like it should. Not so much on this one. Last ditch effort for this firmware. We plugged a USB stick in. If it doesn't work, we're sending it. We're doing it. It's already been 2 hours or something like that here. And we have no print to show for us yet. But joys of having an early machine. Yeah. So my other thought is I wonder if I am on such an old firmware version that the newest firmware version won't work. And maybe they need to send me one like in between to get to this one or something like that. You know, I've seen that before. I have seen that where because it's sat here for a couple months and it's older, the newest firmware version will not work with, you know, will not override the oldest. I'm just guessing here because it has 1.000 and what we're trying to go to today is 1.0.4.6. Cool. We are now in the upgrade in progress, please wait thing. We've been in the same thing like 3 times now, and it's not working. My voice is going downhill, so there's that. Yeah, Paul. Yeah, exactly. The thing is, this is on the oldest firmware. I can't go backwards from where I'm at, but maybe there's a newer one between that, you know, that's working. I'm gonna have to just tell them that it's not working. Come on. Still nothing here. Still nothing. Don't mind me. I'm ordering a new micro HDMI to HDMI
a small rig version because the one that I tested before the stream here was trying to use before the stream, but isn't working. I'm also going to get a hold of them and say, hey, what the heck? But I don't have time to wait for a warranty because it is a newer cable or a newer piece anyway. So might as well get one on the order because we need to keep the show moving here. I got nothing. It's still stuck. My guess is it's going to fail again. It did fail again right now. Upgrade failed. Confirm. We are going to go for it. I'm done with this. I'm going to shut her down again. I should show you this. This is kind of cool. I mean, I kind of appreciate. Oop, guess I need to turn my camera on. There's a screen. Maybe. There's the screen. Okay. It's on. I'm going to pull the plug. I'm going to shut it down and pull the plug right now. So we're going to see how long together that this lasts before it actually shuts itself down. I'm curious if I need to run calibration again if that failed. That'd be, I don't know, because did it overwrite? Did it even download? We don't know. I didn't download. Where is it saying that? USB to drive to update. Because it says it's over the air. Oops, see the flickering? There you go. The printer's dying slowly. If you could tell me, it's trying for 1.4.6 right now. Found this. It says to use the USB drive to update. I don't know if you could post a link, but maybe you could tell me where you found it. Was it on a website? All right, I'm plugging this back in. We're turning it back on. We're going for it. Unless somebody has a better idea where to find the. I went to their site directly, and there's no downloads on their site directly. So that stinks, you know? But if someone could show me where, if you could direct me via chat where to get a download, I would gladly attempt it. Unfortunately, the over-the-air download's not working. I don't know if anyone else has been having this issue because, honestly, because I haven't been paying attention to anyone else's stuff. I've seen, some stuff, but update instructions. Here's something from Reddit. Here's a 115 update on GitHub. Hey, buddy. Oh, you got me something?
Yep.
All right. Tristan and Mommy are back. Not on the site. Firmware link missing. There's no download link where you can upgrade online.
Here's your special drink.
No.
Daddy.
Oh, thank you so much. What? Look at this, guys. This is a vanilla shake. Thank you. Thank you. Did you eat your food?
Yep.
Awesome. I'm going to postpone because we haven't had luck 3 times now.
Hey, Daddy,
Got it from just leaving the machine on Wi-Fi. Have the clog detection trigger, but yeah. I wonder if there's a.
Hey, Daddy.
Yes, buddy.
I got the slushy.
You did?
Yeah.
A slushie?
Yeah.
Wow. Are we ready to see this thing print, buddy? I am too. There's the slicer. There's assets.
Daddy, where you going to free printing it?
What?
Where you going to free printing it?
I don't know yet. I'm probably going to do a benchy or something.
Daddy, you free print me a ding dong first?
We got to get it printing first, bud.
Yep.
And then we'll go from there. All right, let me go back to chat. For me, it has Wi-Fi, yeah. Offset, what's up? Thank you so much. That helps. What did they're asking what Tristan had for, what'd you have? Nuggies
Yep.
or
And
a hamburger?
it had
You had what?
O.
Oh, you had both? Nuggets and a hamburger? What? He's still working on his hamburger, but he had both.
You know, guess what?
Okay, we're loading filament. This
Guess
isn't
what?
working. We're doing it.
No, guess what?
What?
We got slushy and apple.
A slushy and an apple? Awesome. All right, I'm turning this because I need to be able to see, and it's going to hit my camera. We're dropping her down so you guys can see this too. Maybe. I'm doing for it. We're not messing around anymore. I'm done with it.
Daddy,
We'll figure it out.
Daddy,
Yep.
you want to come here to buy something?
Mommy's going to go with you because Daddy's still streaming. Thank you, though. All right, here we go. I'm going to go into the menu on this super old firmware. If anyone has an idea of where the firmware might be that I can actually download, let me know. Otherwise, what I'm going to do is just upload, or I'm just going to hit up FLSUN when I'm done here and say, hey, we did a stream. Firmware is, the firmware has failed 4 times or 3 times. Let's say 4 times. I don't even know how many times now. 4 times? 3? And yeah. So it looks like you have to feed the filament. You put it in here, and it has to feed down through that Bowden tube there. So I'm going to attempt that. So that'll be fun. The hookup, yes. Yes. Offset, I owe you a response. I saw it this morning. I'll do that when I'm done here. It's been good. That's the response. Okay, so I think there's actually a filament loading thing. So I'm going to go to Control Filament Load, and it's going to shoot it to 240C. With this really bad camera angle here, you can kind of see what it's doing. There you go. Once it gets to 240C, it'll probably tell me to load it. Then I got to try to shove it in that hole and go from there. So far, kind of a slow start with this machine. Not going to lie. Yeah. Old firmware. Can't get it to update. Took a minute on the hinges. Hi, bud. We're working on loading the filament now, buddy. We're gonna see what happens. We're going for it.
I'm back in film.
Oh yeah, go grab a bite of burger. Tristan's back. He's gonna go grab a hamburger or bite of hamburger. Oh, it's saying loading now, but I'm clearly not ready for that. I didn't push it all the way down, which is kind of a chore here. Jeez. There we go. Hey, don't bounce. Okay. Still pushing. Still pushing. I don't know what's going on. I'm still pushing filament through a tube here, inch by inch. Oh, I'm there. Did it load? I don't know. Load. Careful. Oh, it is pulling the filament, I think, now. Yep. You can see the wheel turning now. Good. I'm going to close this. Great. Okay, back up for a minute, bud. We're going to raise this back up so we can... Ready? Watch out. Here we go. Hopefully not hit that light. Oh. Right there. Nope, right there. Okay. So if we open this, we can see the filament loaded itself. It's stringing all over. There we go. Great. Let's get it out of here. I did not wipe that plate down yet. Need to do that still.
It's still pooping.
It is. It's still pooping.
It's still squeezing filament out.
Okay, cool. I need to grab some, sorry. I need to grab some
Real quick, some IPA. It's in the other room where we actually use it. Maybe. I don't know where it is. There it is. Okay. I'm going to spray the bed.
Daddy,
Let's go.
Rick,
I'm
still pooping.
Tristan says the filament is still pooping. Grab a bite.
Please.
Hey, I need to keep moving. Thank you. Come on. All right, I'm gonna wipe this bed like a, you know.
Look, it's
I
still
think I had to go back to the yeah.
Look.
Whoa, it's definitely still coming out. I don't know why it's still coming out, but you're right, buddy. It is still pooping. It's a hot nozzle there. Okay. For argument's sake, we're gonna spray the bed like we do with all of them. Maybe.
What?
I guess I need a new bottle. Oh no. We're not going to spray it because I'm going to spill it. I'm not going to spray it because it's too low. We're just going to do this. Got to get a new bottle.
I'll get a new bottle.
Yep. There we go. We are wiped.
Let's play now.
I have a wiki link for you, Edutech. Awesome. Email me it if you can, or that's probably the fastest way. Jim@theedgeoftech.com for my email. Okay, great. Now we're going to print. We're doing this.
Daddy.
Let's do the benchy boat, huh? It says 13 minutes.
14 minutes.
So let me go back here so you guys can see what I'm doing. Kind of see what I'm doing because of that glare. Come on. So if there's a local stuff, there's nothing on the USB. I'm going to choose the benchy. I'm going to choose print and then hit yes. Holy moly. Woo! Holy moly. Here. I'll get this up so you guys can watch. But I don't know if you can hear that already. Thank you, Andrew. I appreciate that. Did you hear that fan? Oh my gosh. That fan just kicked on and holy moly. We're 2 hours in here and we just heard the fan for the first time, which is, not going to lie, not the best thing for a stream. But that was super loud. Wow. So it's going through something. I don't know if it's going to level, it's going to do what. But holy moly. That CPAP fan is very loud. Careful. Nope, don't do that. Thank you. Holy. Yeah. Very loud. I'm going to try to give you guys a better view here of the actual printing. Yep, bud. It's okay, yep. We are close, buddy. We're going to get this benchy knocked out, and then we're going to go figure out, yeah. Paul, that's funny. And I don't have a place to plug it in locally, or I'd try that maybe. But, yeah, it says it's connected, you know. So maybe I'll hit them up, and if they decide they have a, wait, go back, by mom. If they have a file they can send me, that's fine. What do we got going on here? So we're trying to heat up the hot end. The nozzle's at 230. The hotbed's at 61 right now. And that's about where we're supposed to be according to the screen, 230 and 60. I'm assuming we're close here.
See it on the TV.
Yeah.
See you down the road, Jack.
What's that?
See you down the road, Jack.
All right. Mommy's leaving, bud. Go say goodbye. Bye. Thank you. Bye. Yep. Not sure what's going on here. 230 and 60. It's been sitting at this for a minute. I'm not sure if it's paused, if it's just letting it heat sink in for a minute. But I'm not sure if you guys can see this or not. Oh, there we go. Finally. Okay, it's doing a purge line. And here we go. It is doing the first layer now. It is so fast. It is so fast that if you wanted to change it, there's nothing, whoa, nothing you could do. Woo, smoking. Holy moly. Holy. I can't even talk. This thing is so loud. I need to go to another part of the room, I think. Wow, this is fast. Let me look.
Hey, Daddy. Mommy's
Yeah, it
going
looks like,
home.
I know. Let me close this door. So you can kind of hear how much of a difference that door makes. Hang on, bud. You kind of see it there. It makes a big difference to have this door closed. You can actually kind of hear me now, I hope. But wow, this is loud. This is not a quiet machine. Definitely would not be printing like with this in your living room or something and trying to work, or in your office. It's very loud at the top of the machine too. I think this is, if this was sealed properly, I'm holding the door closed here, and if it was sealed properly, it may be a little quieter, but I doubt it, because that machine, a lot of the noise is coming out of the top too. So the screen here is kind of cool. It's showing you how fast it's going, you know, in the moves, etc. 38% done. But like, holy moly, this thing is fast. I'm gonna look at my emails and just see if they've emailed me a version of that firmware at some point. No touch. No, thank you. I don't want the desk to come down and crush you. You're underneath it. Yeah, this is crazy. It is so loud, but it's so fast though. Like, I don't expect this to be the best benchy in the world at all, but wow, this is fast.
I'm going into my email real quick. I'm going to see if they emailed me that firmware. Slowly but surely. Yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, I mean, they have over the air firmwares, but wow, this thing is putting out so much air. Like, I'm going to open this again so you can see the difference. Watch this. It is so loud. But you can see how fast it is too. Woo! Smoking, man. So fast. That is so crazy. Not ignoring y'all, chat. Holy man, this is loud. Not ignoring you. I'm just trying to. I should just stick the camera in there. I'm trying to see if they've sent me this firmware one more time. I want to give this thing the spare shake as I can, but I can't do that if I don't have what they, I can't do that if the firmware is not working. So move this up so I can read it. Oh, of course. I minimize it. What, bud? Yeah. You made a bed? Tristan made a bed with the, here, I'll show you. Real quick, check this out. Lay there, bud, or sit there. Look, that's how much, you can see it down there. That's how big that's 1/2 of the styrofoam that came in this box. That's a 4-year-old in there, and he's a tall 4-year-old, so you can see it still printing. Just going through real quick. There's a whole bunch of follow-ups here. Let's see. What's this one? We'll keep you updated. Great. You'll keep me updated. Yep. Let's see. Here's the shipping. Yeah, bud. Sure. Don't turn the light on, though, okay? Don't turn the light on, please. Yeah. No, the big lights for the studio, don't turn it on, okay? Just going through like all the bajillion emails here I have with them to see if they had. I see the slicer. They sent me a slicer link. Wow, that thing is fast. Okay, I found the slicer. Whew. Holy moly. It's like instant relief. Instant relief to the ears when that thing shuts off. Yeah, all it says is over the air. It doesn't show me. I don't have any emails right now that have a link. Dang it. I was hoping they maybe sent it to me. That stinks. Too bad, I guess. Let me show you this, because you won't believe it if I told you. The time on the Benchy, according to the screen, reads 8 minutes. It said 13 to print it, but I think that's with the heating up part. So here's the question. Is it any good?
Of course, we peel our purge, right? Gotta do that. Yeah, but one
Ghosty one.
awesome.
Ghosty one.
There is some stringing down here, and I have no idea what's fixed in the firmware, right? This could be, a lot of this could be fixed, or some of it at least. That's strung all the way up. Not that that's a big deal, but it did do it. Got it. It is white filament, so it's going to be really hard, of course, to see. And as you saw, there's super low infill and all that stuff. But let's see if I can get a good. It's not terrible. I see some weird stuff going on here. You can actually kind of read the bottom, which is good. I mean, you can read the bottom if you actually see it in the right light. Let's see if I can kind of reflect it through there. I can see it. What was that? It's not even full send. It can go faster. What? Holy crud. We have the square looks square, the round hole looks round hole. I mean, a little goopy. It got a little goopy and kind of I don't know how to explain it. Mushroom, kind of like bulged up on the top of this, but it was going so fast. I mean, how much do you give a printer a break when it prints that in 8 minutes? You know, 8 minutes, which is crazy. So now I want to know if anyone has the new firmware. If I can get the new firmware. I wonder if I can web into this thing and tell it to update. It's Clipper, right? I mean, maybe it's possible to tell it to update. I don't know. But not bad. 8 minutes that Benchy took. We learned that this thing is screaming loud. And it's only taken us 2 hours and 20 minutes to get done with unboxing and a first print because of a couple weird hang-ups. I'm going to throw it out there. That is the one that is on the printer for me to print. So my opinion is that's the one that we go by. It says 13 minutes, but I believe that's with heat up and all that stuff. Because when as I showed, it was 8 minutes elapsed time. 8 minutes is crazy fast. I'm going to see if I can web into this thing. Let's see, settings. I am not a Clipper dude. I don't know a lot about Clipper. But what I do know about is webbing into something. I'm going to move it up. I mean, I guess if we do this and we're watching it, can we see where it's failing? I need my Clipper peeps. Because if I'm showing the screen, technically speaking, if I run the update, we should be able to watch the console, right? And see where it's failing. Or, excuse me, maybe I can do an update. The update manager has not been installed. This is normal in the system for the first time. Please click on refresh to initialize all of the, maybe something's going on here that you guys can tell me. The update manager has not been initialized yet. This is normal when you start the system for the first time. Please click on refresh to initialize all the components. I just clicked initialize. I don't know if it's turned off though.
it's super possible that it's just turned off. Let me show you the screen. Present, share screen. We're here. We're family. I'm also going to move my comments down to the bottom so I can see what you guys are saying. Well, I don't know. I guess I can't see what you're saying there either. So let's just do this. So there's that. Clipper peeps. Let's see, Shane. I'm not sure who's here that does good this Clipper stuff. What we can see here. Oops. Yeah. I mean, we could. This is Moonraker, Clipper, log files here. We could attempt to just watch the console. Let's see, webcam. Hey, look, there is a webcam. I don't know what that's showing. What in the world? Let's see. Where are you? Webcam. Oh, must be over here somewhere. So there is a webcam showing the plate here, but it is sideways. So this is the plate right here. My hand is on it. So that's interesting. Don't share your IP. Oh. What are you gonna do? I'll change it.
Jay, I think I have to go poop.
Oh, really? Well, that's not exciting. Okay. Can you give me a minute? Anyways, I don't know. We could watch. I tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna run this one more time. I got to run to the restroom with the little man. We're gonna watch the console. We're gonna see what it does. Try this. Try the settings. It's just internet IP, right? Yeah, that's just my IP. I'm gonna run update here, buddy. I'm coming with you. Give me 1 second. Trying to run an update here. Okay, it's updating. So, all right, guys, I'll be right back. Let's see what happens here. Let's see. Can you see this? All right, it's not showing nothing here. So there's that. Okay, I'm coming right now. So I'm not sure. It doesn't say it's doing anything here. So there's that. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back, guys. Sorry for the delay.
Woo, sorry about that. Nothing in the console changed. I don't know if it was supposed to or not. We're not going to call mommy right now. We're almost done. We had an 8-minute benchy. We'll take that for sure.
But where is a benchy?
Huh?
Where is a benchy?
I don't know. Where am I? Oh. Yeah, it's an internal IP. Maybe. I don't know what's going on. It's not doing anything. I don't even know that. I don't even show. Let's see. Does it show me doing anything? Nah. It doesn't show anything. Yeah, it's really not showing nothing here. Maybe if I was more versed in Clipper, we could figure it out, but I'm not. And
Daddy,
buddy, you need to give me a minute, okay? Thank you. Somebody is ready to go here. Cool. I'm pretty sure it's going to fail again. It's just stuck doing this stuff again. Oh, what's this?
Look.
Oh, that's a config file. Don't touch.
I wasn't touching.
Okay, thank you. Don't touch, please.
That keeps doing it by itself on the bottom.
Yeah, there's nothing special here. Let me jump back into your comments. Maybe. I don't see until they drop it online or until this actually works. It failed again here. So, oops. Stop, please. Stop, please. All right, real quick. Let me pull you up here. I'm trying to see. Dude, you're killing me. Killing me, Smalls. Killing me, Smalls. All right. I need to see the comments. Boom. I'm not touching. Continues to touch. Yes. Let's see. That is the latest for according to what I found out so far. Yes. So the newest firmware is probably 1.4.6, but currently what I have on here is 1.0.0.0.0. So it's super old. We're gonna go see mommy in a minute. Yes. All right. So yeah, 8-minute benchy. I'm gonna contact them, let them know I cannot update the firmware. I would really want to get something cool going on this thing. So stay tuned. We'll figure out what happens with this thing or not if it doesn't. I'm hoping it does. This is the FLSUN S1. The machine itself looks super cool. Not sure yet how I feel about the filament in here. It's kind of hard to like push through all. Oh, geez, buddy, I'm sorry. It's kind of hard to push through all of the path to get there, but that's okay. Let's see what this does. I just hit the power button on the front. It doesn't do anything yet. Oh, actually, it shut it down. Shut it down. At least it turned off the screen. So let's see what happens if I hit it again. I want to see anyway, right? I'm holding it. Maybe I need to give it some time because it's not doing anything. No idea. Killing me, Smalls. Yeah. Charlie's watching, buddy. You want to say hi to Charlie? No. Say hi, Charlie.
No.
He's ready to go home. Yeah. Well, thank you guys for being here. I really appreciate it. Super weird, super crazy Sunday stream, but this thing should have been doing something. How long do I got to hold this thing to power it on? Oh, I got it. It's coming back on. I could try a reset to defaults and then do a firmware, but I think I'm just going to contact them and tell them the firmware is not working. Maybe they'll just send it to me anyway tonight. Hopefully tonight.
They did send me this. So they didn't sponsor it. They didn't ask for anything in particular or anything like that, but they did want me to check it out. So it's here on the channel. I did not pay for it. But also they didn't ask for me, anything. And if you watch the whole stream, you understand clearly there's some challenges right now. We did find some better files as far as how the hinges work. We found this doesn't work. Like the magnets on this door literally don't do anything. Yeah, give me 1 second. Okay, give me a second. And the magnets don't do anything. Doesn't hold it at all. So there's that. Holding power blocker when it's on. Yeah. My initial thoughts is the machine looks really cool. It feels like it's built good. It's super heavy. It's very heavy. It's very, very loud. It's a very loud machine, but it has a CPAP blower for the air cooling or the part cooling. It has lights inside. It has a camera. I can't test. I mean, really, I can't test much until I get the real firmware because it's not fair. I mean, this is how it came to me out of the box, but it probably isn't going to be how it came to anybody, most people, because I got this thing a couple months ago and I'm hoping stuff they're sending now has newer firmware on it. The UI is decent. The touch is pretty good. I mean, I can touch stuff and it's responsive as long as I actually hit the buttons correctly. Yeah, I think it's $14.99 on their site, and it is what it is. So the door is backwards. How can the door be backwards?
Hey everybody, I'll see you soon.
Same side as Pix I saw handle is the same side as top. No, I don't think it can be backwards because there's holes in the glass here and here. And that's where you have to screw it in. So there's no way a door can be backwards. And the handle faces out. And inside it's hard to show you unless I get my GoPro back out. But there's 2 magnet strips on the glass on the inside. They're just not my thing. I think either the magnets are backwards or maybe it is repelling. Yeah, don't touch that, please. Maybe it's repelling. I don't know. The door is definitely not backwards. I don't think it can be backwards, according to the holes and the handle. So, but anyways, are you sure you mounted the door? Yep. Sure you mounted the glass door right. Mine is mounted.
Okay,
Flip the door.
see you soon.
Hang on, TNT, please.
Hey everybody, I'll see you soon.
Mine is mounted on the opposite side. I don't know what that means. Pix, I saw handle on the top of the door. 100% you have it mounted wrong or it's mounted wrong from the factory. I have it mounted. It's not mounted like that. Maybe. Are you saying screw it in onto the other side here? Over here? I could try that. I mean, there's holes for the hinges over here, though. It looks like there's holes for the hinges on the other side. I'll try it. I'll swap it around. Maybe you're right. Maybe it opens. That would make sense because it would open the same way as the top door does. Maybe it's backwards. On the bright side, it's not broken like Uncle Jesse. So I'll swap it around. We'll see what happens, and we'll go from there. Other than that, I need to get going. Yeah. Mini Jim's, yes, he is. He's ready to go. We need to get rolling, but as soon as I get a firmware, I'll get this thing rolling again, and we'll get some pictures or something out there. I'm really hoping I can get this thing printing good. I'll swap the door around. It does make sense. I guess I didn't see that there's holes on both sides of the frame here, which is interesting to me. Why they would do that, but hey, there is holes on both sides of the frame, so maybe you're right, and maybe the door's mounted backwards. So we'll swap it around. Glass gate. Cool. All right, everybody, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a great rest of your Sunday. We're going to go home and mow the lawn, right? Yeah, we got to go mow the lawn. But hey, everybody,
Have a good one. We will see you, I believe, tomorrow night for Hotmakes.
Daddy,
Yes.
are you gonna mow along today?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you want to say goodbye?
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time, summer.
See you next time. That's right. Do you want to say goodbye to Charlie?
Goodbye, sorry.
All right. Thank you guys. Have a great Sunday. And yeah, we'll see you next time. I'm going to move the door. Apparently it's backwards. So there's that. Cool.
Daddy, let's just go home.
All right. Time to go home. Bye, guys. See ya.